Welcome to Instant Data Services. In this video, you'll learn how to automate the voter ID form filling process using our powerful auto typer software. Whether you're processing a few forms or thousands of records, this software helps complete the work faster, with high accuracy and minimal manual effort. Now, let's begin. First, open the image files provided by the company. These images contain the data that needs to be entered into the voter ID forms. These are the Excel forms converted from the images because the autotyper will only works on Excel formats. Now open the autotyper software. This is the software interface. After that, open the voter ID form and log in using your credentials. Once the form opens, place the voter ID form and the autotyper software side by side for easy access. Now, select the pattern file and Excel files in the autotyper software. After both files are selected, click the Begin button. Before the countdown ends, place the cursor in the first field of the voter ID form. The software automatically starts filling the entire form with high speed and accuracy, without any manual typing or interruption. The voter ID form filling autotyper software helps reduce manual work, saves valuable time, improves accuracy, and increases productivity. It is an efficient solution for handling large volumes of voter ID form filling with ease.